Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use AI to write business reports faster, full tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred AI writing tool. Start by creating an account or logging in if you already have one. Familiarize yourself with the interface and features. Select the report type you want to generate. Gather any necessary data or details for the report. Input these details into the AI tool. Choose the desired tone and style for your report. Set the length of the report according to your needs. If applicable, select any templates provided by the software. Review the AI-generated suggestions as they appear. Edit the suggestions to suit your specific requirements. Use the tool's features to refine information, like adding charts or graphs. Incorporate any additional sections or elements manually if needed. Ensure that the final draft aligns with your business objectives. Proofread the report for clarity and accuracy. Download or export the report in your preferred format. Share the report with team members or stakeholders as needed. Evaluate the effectiveness of the AI tool for future reports. Consider adjusting your strategy based on feedback and results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.